So guys, quick unboxing here of the Sony BRAVIA 2. Simple unboxing, probably the easiest I've done for a TV. You open of course from the top. Right on top we have the remote. You got two stand pieces. Some screws to make sure not to lose them. Power adapter. So then removing the top styrofoam. Some instructions. We got a few manuals. Some batteries for the remote. Pretty easy to remove the TV, but mine's only 43 inches. Remove the cover. There's also some tape directly on the screen. It's kind of weird, but no issue. Remove the plastic. .360 view. So yeah guys, an easy unboxing. So if you want to see a video on how to go through the menus or set up the stand, then see the videos above.